I thought I'd do Gleniffer Braes today, right on my doorstep. I think I've come to the wrong car park, and surely this can't be the walkway. Can't be, can it? I'll squeeze through and have a look just to see what we got, but I can't imagine this is a walkway to the Braes, so I think it must be back in the car and see what's what. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's where I need to get to, I think. Very talented graffiti artists around here. Yeah. Looks like the Scat Man was here, not Banksy. HP Poo on Me. Very nice. What we got over here? No idea. I doubt if they had either. 10 out of 10 for effort though. Right, let's fight my way back through the bracken. Yeah, I saw the lock gate initially, but I didn't see the great big great big gap around it. So probably because I'm thick. That's only that's anything I can console myself with. Another derelict farm building. Such a shame, isn't it, really, when you think of all the buildings that are derelict. You know, a little bit of tender loving care, and it could be a house for someone that's on the street. Yeah, this obviously used to be a farm. Yep. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a walk up these braes. It's my first water stop, and already got a pretty nice view of Glasgow. And over that way we've got the airport on the hills. Yeah, getting up a good heart rate, and nice walk so far. One of these information boards telling us we're in the grasslands. Who'd have thought it? These bushes everywhere, and they're not very pleasing on the eye. I don't know what they are. I should probably find out. If I was naming that, I'd call it Propicus uglicus. Yeah, it sounds like a plant, doesn't it? Yeah, it's not named. I've just named it. Still climbing. Hills over there. Glasgow behind Propicus uglicus. Wonder what that is, just stuck there. You know, it's it said look out for the monolithic stones, but I don't think that can be one, because look what it's got stuck at the top of it. It's got a hook. You know, are we led to believe that some, I don't know, Celt or Roman or space alien said, look, I've got this spare hook. I know what I'll do. I'll stick a little monolith up and I'll stick that old hook in there. Yeah. Love to know what that's all about, I really would. Still, view's getting nice now and we're still climbing. There's the old hills in the distance. It's a shame that someone stuck a great big city in the middle of it. But there you go. I think Glasgow's beautiful in its own way, I really do. Just going off-road to be nosy. Oh, it's a golf course. All right. I better be quiet. This is actually really peaceful up here. Glad I came for the walk. If you've had a bad week or if you feel down, trust me, try walking. It really is therapeutic. Get away from everything just for a little while. Try to clear your mind and just look around you. Well, I thought it was quite a steep incline. I'm convinced, having read these internet reviews, that there's all these superhuman fit people, and then there's me, because I found that quite a testing little walk up there. You read the reviews on Google, oh, a nice little walk for the kids, and I think, who are your kids? Supergirl and Superboy. But perhaps it's just me, really unfit. I guess I must be. Oh, I like that tree there. Look at that. Let me zoom in on it a bit. Yeah, I like that. Prince Charles would proper give that a hug, wouldn't he? Because it looks like it needs one. Jesus. Who was that gate designed for? Gandhi? You know what? There's cow poo everywhere. But as yet, I've not seen a cow. There they are. So if you do come up here and you've got your dog, probably best after the first bit of walking to put your dog on a lead. Oh, at least my theory that aliens come down, alien cows came down at night, pooped, and they went back up again. It's gone right out the window. That's me Cows of the Gods book gone out the window. In my life this is, I've just come up there, right, and you can see that there. So I thought, I know what I'll do, I'll go over there. So I gets over here, look what I got there. I reckon if you're coming up here in the winter, wellies. Not them. Comfortable though they are. We just missed it, that cow had a right good look at me. at the horns on it. You wouldn't want to be a bull around her, would you? Look at her. Looking back at me now. So I'm going to walk, keep your head down and walk. I was watching a programme last night, Craig Campbell's Apocalypse TV, give it a check out. Basically about star faults in this country and all over the world, and how the great big blocks are uniformly put together. Really impressive. No one really knows how they did it. Well, whether they were super tradesmen, magnificent craftsmen, giants, space aliens or whatever, one thing for sure, they didn't come to Gleniffer Braes. Looks like a few of the builders I've known in my lifetime have been up here and whacked that together. Giving up because of the water and going back down while I'm still relatively, my feet are wet, but not too far. I didn't get right to the top, which is a shame. It's there. I think that's called Killock Hill, I think. But it's clouding over. I've been out, I've had a good walk, I've cleared my head, and I'm back down now, I think. I like my nature, and you know I like my walks. I've just passed a woman who said, look at the beautiful colours. Crikey. I reckon she must orgasm when she sees a rainbow. It's a lovely walk. I appreciate nature. Just round this bit where she spotted the colours, I think you'll agree, it looks pretty dead. Yeah. Still, as long as she's happy, I'm happy. Here I am at the other side of Gleniffer Braes. There's a reservoir exit. I was told there's a waterfall around here somewhere, so let's go and find of it. Let's go and find of it. Let's go find it. Yeah, from this side of the Braes, no electrical pylons, which is good. Lots more houses though. I think that's Glenburn if you look down there. I hear water in them there hills. Let's hope I'm right. I'll be honest with you, that better not be the waterfall. It'll be like Campsie Glen revisited. It's going to be, mind you, at least this place don't make it sound like the eighth wonder of the world. I'll be disappointed if I've walked all this way for that. I'll be honest, pretty though it is. And we've got a bit of colour here. God, you imagine that woman the other side of the park. Oh, imagine if she saw them colours. Oh dear, ecstasy. Right, let's go and see if that is the Gleniffer Braes waterfall. Now look at all these different colours. Now that's what I call beautiful. Literally greens, yellows, oranges. Really, really nice. Absolutely stunning. Look at the contrasts. And none of them spiky bushes this side. It's like heaven it is. There we go, it looks like we've got a proper waterfall. Now that has been worthwhile. A proper waterfall. You know what, I was just thinking a few years ago, well quite a few years ago, when I was a young lad, I'd have been straight down across that stream on one of them fallen trees, and I'd be up the other side no problem. But I so want to get near to that waterfall if I can that I'm really chuffed that I've just found this, because trust me, my tree crossing days are well and truly over. I'm just about getting down these steps. Look at the colours again from this side. I so hope that woman round the other side of the Braes gets her way round here, because she was so excited to see dead trees. This would be absolutely mind-blowing for her. Like the biggest ecstasy trip anyone's ever had. Absolutely stunning. Look at this place in autumn. Beautiful. Straight on or left, folks? What do we think? Eeny, meeny. Right, okay. Where we go, straight on. Look at that, folks. How good's that? So that was Gleniffer Braes, and looking at my Fitbit thing, I have just walked just over 7 miles. I had to change my shirt because I had that big thick heavy coat on. Always take a spare shirt with you and spare shoes, in fact spare everything, just in case you go flying over or anything. But if you are down the dumps, it works for me. It might not work for everyone. Some people might go for a walk and end up suicidal, I don't know. But I think just getting out, exercising, looking, seeing the bigger picture, seeing nature, seeing how beautiful the world can be, and it puts it into perspective, because there's nothing really. I mean, I know you can have a chemical imbalance, you can't do anything about depression then, or mental illness, but if it's just life getting you down, then give it a go walking. That's just on the doorstep for me, really. And beautiful place. Really glad I chose. I was going to go and climb Ben Ledi, but I came here and because I had a few bits to do, a bit of work to do, and I ended up coming here. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for sharing it with me. If you do like these, please subscribe to the channel. That's all from me at the moment. Thanks for sharing this little Gleniffer Braes adventure with me. And I shall see you all soon. Stay safe and be happy.